dear friends, in this video I'll give total overview of digital marketing. What is digital marketing? It's basically a online marketing using internet and other digital media. It is a promotion of brand or product. It connects with the potential customers, my dear friend. Now, types of digital marketing: content marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, pay per click, PPC, social media marketing, SMM, email marketing, affiliate marketing. Now, what is content marketing? It's basically to create interest among an audience through blogs, writing blogs, making videos, making infographics and case studies. Through this, you are creating potential customers. Now, next is search engine optimization, SEO. It helps to rank your website in search engines like Google search. Basically, keyword is the main thing, and keyword research you have to undertake. Keyword you will choose so the maximum people search with the keywords. If they put in Google search, your website will appear. So it is very, very important, my dear friend. Now, pay per click, PPC. It's basically a model of internet marketing in which advertisers pay fee each time one of their ad is clicked. Google, YouTube, Facebook, they earn huge amount of money through these advertisements. Once you click, advertiser has to pay. So Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads are the examples, my dear friend. Now, social media marketing, SMM, is the use of social media and social networks to market a company's products and services. Social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. Now, as a beginner, let us say you want to do social media marketing. What you have to do? You have to decide which social media platform to use. You have to optimize your social media profiles, connect to your website or blog with your social media pages, add social media buttons to your website, find and follow the influencers in your niche, that is your focused area, keep a balance between following and followers. Next is email marketing. Email marketing is basically sending a commercial message, typically to a group of people using emails. You can send bulk emails, and a lot of softwares are available. Email sent to a potential or a current customer is considered email marketing. It involves using email to send advertisements, request business, or solicit sales or donations. My dear friend, affiliate marketing. Individuals earn huge amount of money through this affiliate marketing. Best example is Amazon affiliate marketing. So basically, affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. There are so many affiliate programs available. You can join any one of the affiliate marketing program and you can earn huge amount of money, my dear friend. Thanks a lot, my dear friend. Thanks.